Alright, good morning. So, I am still in PA on the road. And I found another waterfall, I believe, in Johnstown, where I'm going to be at today. And there's a lake right over here that I wish I was able to see better. Because the fog and the sunset coming, or the sunrise coming up over the mountains over here. See what we can see here. Yeah, buddy. Not sure if there's going to be any clearings up here to get any good pictures or not. That's nice though. So let's see if we can find this waterfall. They have a good shot here. There it is. There it is. That is pretty. Perfect timing back in here.
.1 miles. Turn right.
All right. Okay. Looks like it opens up right here. Grab some pictures. Okay, so I was driving down the road and I didn't know where the waterfall would be at. I didn't know if I'd have to get out and walk. And I heard it roaring. I saw the little river down the road here. And then when I popped around the corner, it's literally on the side of the road. This is beautiful. Watch this. That is amazing. I'm gonna grab some pictures here.